In Luhansk, a car bomb exploded near People's Rada of the National People's Republic Oleg Popov. They say that while he is alive, he is wounded. It is interesting that in September 2022, an attempt was already made on him, but then he somehow survived. Ukrainian partisans claim responsibility for the car bombing of Popov in Luhansk. They write, "A morning photo from under the car of militant and deputy LNR Oleg Popov. By the way, today his car was blown up in temporarily occupied Lugansk. The collaborator who has been serving the Russian occupiers for years has finally found the fate he deserves. Partisans promises that this will happen to everyone who betrayed Ukraine." Ukrainian sniper Vyacheslav Kovalsky broke the world record by hitting the Russian occupier at a distance of 3,800 meters, which is more than 2 miles. Vyacheslav Kovalsky, a 58-year-old former businessman and now a sniper with the counterintelligence unit of the Security Service of Ukraine, made his shot shortly before dawn on November 18th. Together with his partner, who calculated the distance, wind speed, and other parameters, he set up a position on the opposite bank of the Dnipro River in Kherson region from the Russian military. After deciding to shoot, Vyacheslav's partner started measuring the distance to the soldiers. He calculated the parameters of the shot, air humidity and temperature, which affected the speed of the bullet. The bullet took around 9 seconds to reach its target. Kovalsky and Ukraine say the shot set a new sniping distance record, breaking the previously acknowledged mark by more than 260 meters, 850 feet. Breaking. Russian air defense system S-350 Vityaz was destroyed by FPV kamikaze drone. It is the most expensive equipment that was destroyed by FPV drone. This is how the Ukraine 47th Mechanized Infantry Brigade stops the Russia attack and destroyed large convoys with the help of Leopard 2A4 and FPV drones in Avdiivka direction. HIMARS strike on a Russian transport helicopter, presumably in Lyman-Kremena front area. Defiant president goes out in central Kiev to congratulate the ZSU with its day. Behind us are over 600 days, but ahead is victory, he says. No bunker rat can repeat such a stunt. Zelensky having a stroll this morning down the street from my house. Locals, good morning. Very cool.
Доброго ранку. Віддав своє власне життя. Варто сходити, побачити обличчя наших героїв. І ранок 651 день тому.
Добрий день.
Доброго дня. Як було гучно і чимало кому, нашому Чорноволу, нашому Лобановському. Добрий ранок, зі святом.
Доброго ранку.
Доброго ранку. Ось такі наші люди. Пам'ятники. Слава Україні!
And incompetent clowns pretending to lead the army now say, we definitely need Mykolaiv and Odessa regions. This is mandatory in order to discourage NATO and the West from accepting it, Ukraine, into NATO. Russian Army General, ex-Interior Minister of Russia. These are Russia's real goals, not Putin blabbing about protecting the people, genocide and destruction.
Нам нужно обязательно Николаевская, Одесская область, как это обязательно, для того, чтобы не допустить мотивации НАТО, Запада, взять ее в НАТО, Украину.
Exclusive footage from the 79th Brigade shows a Russian serviceman unsuccessfully attempting to take down a Ukrainian FPV drone aimed at him. Donetsk Oblast. And at the end, the story we are following. The president of Guyana speaks to the nation about the threat of a Venezuela invasion. Guyana is taking precautionary measures. Guyana's armed forces have been placed on full alert. Guyana has reached out to its allies, USA, Brazil, UK, and France.
Tonight, President Maduro announced several measures which his government intends to take in enforcing the outcome of the referendum held on December 3rd, 2023. As I made clear from the date the referendum was first announced, this is a direct threat to Guyana's territorial integrity, sovereignty, and political independence.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.